In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header and footer on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to make clean, consistent changes to the top and bottom areas of your site. No guesswork needed. First, from your Squarespace home menu, click Website, then click Pages. This brings you into the area where you can open any page on your site. It doesn't matter which page you choose for this process, because the header and footer are global elements. What you change here will appear across your entire site. Opening a page simply gives you a canvas to work on. Next, click Edit at the top left. This switches the page into editing mode so you can interact with different sections. You'll notice that as you move your mouse around, editable areas highlight and reveal options. That's your cue that you're in the right place. Now, hover over your header at the very top of the page and click Edit Header. This opens the header editor, where you can refine the look and layout of your site's top navigation. Here, you can adjust things like your site title or logo, organize your navigation links, and fine-tune how elements are aligned. Many templates also let you show or hide icons like search or a shopping cart, and you can often choose between different layout presets to get the balance just right. As you make changes, keep in mind that the header is the first thing visitors see. So aim for clarity, readability, and a concise set of links. Short, meaningful labels help people find what they need quickly. When you're happy with how the header looks, scroll down the page to the very bottom and hover over your footer. You'll see an option appear there as well. Click Edit Footer. This opens the footer editor. The footer is a great place to include helpful, less prominent information, such as contact details, a brief tagline, social icons, or quick links to important pages. You can also add items like a copyright line or terms and privacy links. Think of the footer as a dependable reference zone. It should be consistent, tidy, and easy to scan. Keep text brief, make sure links are clear, and group related items together so visitors can find what they need without scrolling back to the top. And there you go. You clicked Website, then Pages, entered Edit mode with the Edit button at the top left, hovered over and edited the header, then scrolled to the bottom to hover over and edit the footer. That's all you need to quickly polish the top and bottom of your Squarespace site.